Hey y'all, so I just recorded a video and I have it up right now on my flexi rod lock style. So if you want to see it, check it out. But right now I'm about to make me a salad, me and my wife, and here are the ingredients. So hey guys, I'm just going through my morning routine right here, washing my face. I'm about to do my hair, which is put my oils in there. I'm using peppermint oil, I got argan oil, I got Jamaican black castor oil. Also, I picked up this new oil right there. That's a olive oil brand. Oh my god, it's so good. Just give it a try. My locks is loving it right now. Also, I've been using that brand since I was a kid, so I just took it way back, and they came out with a new product, so I just said let me give it a try. So I wanted to show y'all. Also, my hair feels so good. I just wanted to tell y'all, you can take care of your hair the same way that you would even if it was like loose naturally. So I sprayed it still. I went ahead and put my oils in there like I usually would, and my curls are still there. I am going to wash my hair on the 15th per usual, and I'm going to bring another hairstyle to you guys. So keep watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah. Oh yeah, I also am brushing my locks still. Yeah. There you go.
I just like you. When the sun don't get me by, I hope the nights do. I've been kissing you in your sleep, seeing all the things you don't.
Hey you guys, I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know. That you want to get up and get active. Go for a walk, even if it's for 30 minutes. That's what I've been doing. Just to get your energy up, just to, get your blood flowing, help with your mind as well. I feel so good. And I just want to help motivate people in a way that's more than just external. Like, you want to work on yourself in the inside as well. So I'm just doing that. I feel a whole lot better. In my previous vlog, I was so sick. Even in my other videos, I found out that me and my wife both caught COVID. So again, but yeah, we're good now. So I just wanted to pop in and just say, do what you're supposed to do, okay? All right. I wanted to give another friendly reminder to drink as much water as you can, and you want to try to drink a little bit more than the day before. So I got my gallon beside me, and I am really trying hard to get that water in. I don't have a number. I'm just trying to stick to drink as much as I can and a little bit more than the day before. So yeah. I also wanted to show you I organized my makeup This is random, but I'm excited about it. It kind of looks not that organized on camera, but it makes sense to me. Okay, I love it. So I've been trying to work on some personal growth as far as, you know, getting better at doing my makeup. So I've been trying to practice, and first thing is organization, and you can apply that to anything in life. So I organize that and I feel better about it. All right, so yeah, drink your water, y'all.